this land like thunder rolling across the sand. Folks are talking down at the corner store, saying something ain't right no more. They've been running things from behind closed doors for way too long, keeping score. But the truth is finally breaking through, and the big boys don't know what to do. Stop! Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Career politicians losing ground. Stop! Hey, what's that sound? They captured the country, made it their own, wrote the rules while we worked the bone. But the light is shining where it's never been, and they're scrambling now to save their skin. Some are resigning in the dead of night, some are facing handcuffs in the daylight. The ones who thought they'd never fall are watching their empires crumble and stall. Stop! Hey, what's that? Losing ground. Stop! Hey, what's that sound? Hey. People waking up from coast to coast, starting to see who they hurt the most. The great awakening's moving fast. The old machine can't make it last. They thought the power would always stay, but the people are finally having their say. Arrests are coming, the truth won't hide, and the tide is turning on the other side. You can feel it in the air tonight. The old ways are losing all their might. No more secrets, no more lies. The reckoning is in their eyes. Stop! Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. The big ones are all coming down. Stop! Hey, what's that sound? Yeah, stop! Hey, what's that sound? Career politicians going down. Stop! Hey, what's that sound? They're stepping down all over town. Something's happening here. Something's happening here.